Welcome to your math class. So kids, we have started exercise 7.5 and in that exercise we were doing some problem solved based on subtraction of money. We have started doing some concept, some word problem that deals with money. Okay? Now kids, today we will move ahead with question number 11 and 12. Today we will do question number 11 and 12. Okay? And then we will start a new thing. So first of all we will do question number 11 and 12. First of all we will do question number 11 and 12. And then we will move ahead. Okay. So let us read question number 11. So we are going to do exercise 7.5, question number 11. Let us read. See, I have already explained this question to you in our last class. Now today I will solve this question and you will match your answer with this question. What you will do? You will match your answer with this question, that whether you have done this question right or wrong. Okay? Now let us start. So question number 11 we have. Surjeet bought a book for rupees 35.15 and a pen for rupees 12.90. He gave rupees 2.50 note. He gave a 50 rupees note to the bookseller. How much money would the bookseller return? तो भाई bookseller उनको कितना पैसा return करेगा? Okay, so this is our question. This is what? यही हमारा question है ना? Okay. Let us do. Okay. So we were doing question number 11 and in that question we have just read the question and now we will move towards the statement. Now we will move towards writing statement of the problem. ठीक है? Now अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will write statement. Okay? Now let us write a statement. So the question says Surjeet bought a book for rupees 35.15. So first statement will be our first statement will be cost of book equals to will be our first statement and the cost of the book was 35 rupees and 15 paise. 35 rupees and 15 paise. This is the cost of book. Now our next statement, and he also got a pen. So next statement will be cost of pen equals to 12 rupees 90 paise. Cost of pen is 12 rupees 90 paise. Okay. Now what we will do? We have to find the total cost. First of all, we have to find the total cost. So what will be the total cost? Let us find out what will be the total cost. What we will do? We will just add these numbers and we will get our total cost. After adding the number, we will get our total cost. Okay? Now, write down. Come on, do this question. Our first statement was cost of pen equals to, next statement was cost of pen equals to, and then we have to find the total cost. After that we have to do the, after that we will move toward the next part of the question. Now, right now find the sum. So, we will start with this place. Here we are having 5 plus 0 we will get 5. Now moving towards this place, 9 plus 1 we will get 9 plus 1 we will get 10. For 10 we will write 0, carry 1. 5 plus 2, 7, 1, 8, 3 plus 1, 4. So here total cost is 48 rupees 5 paise. Total cost is 48 rupees 5 paise. है ना? This is our total cost. 48 rupees 5 paise is our total cost. Now next thing, he gave a 50 rupee note to the shopkeeper or bookseller. Now next statement will be amount of money given to bookseller. Amount of money given to bookseller equals to rupees 50. 50 rupees he has given to the bookseller. He has given rupees 50 to the bookseller. Now our next statement will be amount of money left with him. Next statement will be amount of money left. So amount of money left equals to, so what we will do? What we have to do here? We have to subtract. Now here we have to subtract rupees 50 and rupees 48.05. Now let us do the subtraction part. Chalo subtraction kare. What we will do first? Before doing the subtraction, we will write the rupees and paise. We will write rupees and paise. So here we are having 50 rupees and we'll put a 00 here, and we have to minus 48 rupees 5 paise. Mind it, it's not 50 paise, it's 5 paise. 50 rupees minus 48 rupees 5 paise. Come on, solve this question. Do this question yourself. Come on, do this question. Subtract करिए अपने से. Man is not going to help you all the time. Do the subtraction part yourself. So here we will do 10 minus 5 we will get 5. This will become 9. Okay. This will become 1 and this will become 0. So our answer is 1 rupee 95 paise. Our answer for this question is 1 rupees 95 paise. Once again I am going to read the question for you guys, and then you have to understand the question. So the question says, Surjit bought a book for rupees 35.15. So he has paid rupees 35 rupees and 15 paise for the book, and a pen for rupees 12.90. Then he has bought a pen for rupees 12.90. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. He gave 50 rupees note to the shopkeeper or the bookseller. How much money would the bookseller return? अब भाई bookseller इनको कितना पैसा रिटर्न करेगा? ऐसा हमारे साथ रियल लाइफ में भी होता है ना कि हम क्या करते हैं, हम पैसा पे करते हैं, शॉपकीपर के पास जाते हैं, हम मल्टीपल सामान खरीदते हैं और फिर हमें कितना पैसा शॉपकीपर हमें रिटर्न करेगा. तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट हमने क्या लिखा? वी हैव रिटन cost of book equals to, then cost of pen equals to, then we have find the total cost. After finding the cost of book and cost of pen, we have find the total cost. So the total cost equals to 48 rupees 5 paise. Total cost cost equals to 48 rupees and 5 paise. Now amount of money given to bookseller, कितना पैसा bookseller को दिया 50 rupees. Now amount of money left equals to 50 rupees में से 48 rupees 5 पैसे हमने माइनस कर दिया, और माइनस करने पे हमें कितना मिला ₹1.95. इतना अमाउंट हमें क्या हुआ, इतना अमाउंट हमें माइनस करने से वापस मिला, है ना. इतनी बात सारे बच्चों को समझ में आ गई. This much of thing is clear to you all. Now next is, okay, so now we will move towards question number 12. Now we will move towards question number 12. So I want all of you to read question number 12. Kindly read question number 12. See what that question says. Read question number 12. Read it. Seema wants to buy a powder. Seema wants to buy a powder pack costing 35.80. Seema wants to buy a powder costing rupees 35.50. What next she wants to buy? And a toothpaste tube costing rupees 20.5 paise, and a toothbrush costing how much? Toothbrush costing 25 rupees 35 paise. Now our question says that she has already given 100 rupees note to the shopkeeper. Achha, sorry, she has only 100 rupees note with her. Now in this question is a bit twisted question. Here Seema already has 100 rupees. She has only had 100 rupees. ठीक है, उसे 3 सामान लेने हैं, but उसके पास 100 rupees note है. What we have to do next? How much money will she need or save? कितना पैसा she will need और she will save. कितना पैसा वो सेव करेगी या उसको कितने पैसे की जरूरत होगी. मतलब अभी हमें नहीं पता कि सीमा को कितने पैसे की जरूरत पड़ सकती है, या वो कितना पैसा क्या की है, या वो कितना पैसा सेव की हुई है ना. अभी हमें we don't know this. Okay. Now let us do the statement part. So what we have to do, we have to write the statement for this question. Seema wants to buy a powder pack. So first of all, first question will be cost of powder pack equals to question number 12. First statement will be cost of powder equals to, what is the cost of powder? 35 rupees 80 paise. So 35 rupees 80 paise. Okay. Next, a toothpaste tube. Then cost of a toothpaste. Cost of toothpaste equal to, toothpaste का कितना कॉस्ट है भाई? 20 rupees 5 paise. 20 rupees and 5 paise. Next is and a toothbrush. So next statement will be cost of toothbrush. Cost of toothbrush equals to 25 rupees 35 paise. 25 rupees 35 paise. Then we have to find the total cost. Then we have to find the Now what we have to do to find the total cost? What I have to do? I have to add all these numbers, है ना, ये सारे numbers को I have to add. Come on, add this. चलिए करिए, add करिए. We have to add 35 rupees 80 पैसे, 20 rupees 5 पैसे, and 25 rupees 35 पैसे. We have to add these numbers. Come on, add these numbers. Add this number to find the answer. Come on. Okay, let us do. So we will start from this number, from the right hand side, as we always do. So at right hand side, what we have to do? 5 plus 5 will get 10. We'll put a carry 1. Now 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, and 1 carry 12. Put a carry 1 here. Now 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Again 1 carry, 3 to 5 plus 2, 7, 1, 8. So our answer is, total cost is 81 rupees and 20 paise. Total cost is 81 rupees and 20 paise. Now see, she has only 100 rupees note. ठीक है, उसके पास सिर्फ एक 100 rupees की नोट है, and our total amount that cost is 81 rupees 20 paise. That means what happened? That means she will save, है ना, यहाँ पे वो क्या करेगी? She will save the amount of money. कितना amount उसने save किया? Let us find. What we will do? We will minus 100 minus 81.20. 100 minus rupees 81.20. Let us subtract. We'll make rupees and paise. We'll do 100, 0, 0 and 81, 20 point minus. So minus करो, माइनस करिए, जल्दी से माइनस करिए. Okay. Cost of powder, cost of toothpaste, and cost of toothbrush. We have added all these three things. Then we have to find the amount saved. कितना amount उसने क्या किया? Save किया. क्योंकि देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या है कि she was having 100 rupees. उसके पास 100 rupees था, लेकिन टोटल सामान, टोटल कॉस्ट कितना आया? उसके पास तो 100 rupees था, लेकिन टोटल कॉस्ट जो आया, टोटल कॉस्ट आया 81 rupees 20 paise. टोटल कॉस्ट आया 81 rupees and 20 paise. So what we will do? We will, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? यहाँ पे we will subtract and we will get the answer. Let us do 0 minus 0. We will get 0. This is 10, I guess. 10 minus 2 will get 8. Point. This will become 9. 9 minus 1. How much? 9 minus 1 we will get 8, and 9 minus 8 we will get how much? So our answer is 18 rupees 18 rupees 80 paise. This much of amount she will save. इतना पैसा वो क्या करेगी? This much of amount she will save. इतना पैसा वो save करने वाली है. ठीक है? Now note this down. Cost of powder, cost of toothpaste, and cost of toothbrush. Total cost निकाला. Then amount saved. कितना amount उसने save किया वो निकाला. और फिर हमने क्या किया? Then we have subtracted. उसके बाद we have just subtracted. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. So as we have done the problem solved. Here we have completed exercise 7.5. Here we have completed exercise 7.5. Now what we will do, we will start a new thing, that is multiplication. Multiplication based on money. ठीक है? Let us do. Suppose we have a question that says multiply rupees 82 and by 2. Suppose we have to multiply 82 by 2. How we will do? क्या करना है? We have to multiply 82 rupees को 2 से. What we are going to do here? Tell me. सोचो. We will write 82. We'll write 82 rupees. We'll put a multiply ka sign. We will put a 2. And we will do the multiplication. 2 2 the 4 and 8 2 the 16. Like this only. So our answer is 164 rupees. Okay, this much is clear. See, multiplication of money is very easy. Here you just have to multiply. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ भी और नहीं करना. जैसे सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन आता है उस तरह से आप क्या करोगे, उस तरह से आप सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे. ठीक है? Okay. Now, let us take one more example. Next is, here we have to multiply. Next example is, I am going to take a big number. 148 by 3. Come on. Now do this question yourself. करिए. ये question अपने से करिए. Completed? Okay. Now let us see. 148 multiply 3. Mark a rupees sign here. चलो multiply करते हैं. 8 3s are 24. We'll write 2 here. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2. 14. Carry 1. 3 1s are 3 1. 4. So our answer is rupees 444. ठीक है? This is our answer. Now kids, here I have taken only those questions where पैसा part is missing. है ना? अब ये तो बहुत सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन की तरह हमने कर लिया. यहाँ पे पैसा पार्ट था भी नहीं. बट व्हाट इफ किसी क्वेश्चन में अगर पैसा पार्ट आ जाता है, व्हाट यू गोना डू देन? अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में पैसा पार्ट आ जाता है, व्हाट यू विल डू? लेट अस सी हाउ वी गोना डू दैट क्वेश्चन जहाँ पे पैसा पार्ट आ जाता है. See, the question is, I'm going to take a question that rupees 2.50 multiply by 2. Here what I have to do? I have to multiply 2 rupees 50 paisa with 2. Here I have to multiply rupees 2.50 with 2. And the process is very simple. What you have to do? You just have to do the simple multiplication. कुछ भी और नहीं करना. सिर्फ हमें simple multiplication करना है. Let us do. So 2.50 multiply by 2. Simple multiplication हमें करना है. Okay, now 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. 0 again, carry 1. 2 2s are 4 1 5. Okay, आंसर आ गया हमारा कुछ 500 जैसा. नाउ जैसे हम रुपीस को पैसे में कन्वर्ट करते थे, what we will do, we will put two places from the right side, two places we will put a point. अब यहाँ से 1 2 we will put a point here. So our answer is ₹5. फिर से समझते हैं. Here I was having a number that is ₹2.50. Here I was having ₹2.50 and that I have to multiply with 2. उसको हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना था, उसको that number I have to multiply with, उसको हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना था 2 से. तो मैंने क्या किया, सबसे पहले सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर दिया, फिर जो आंसर आया उससे 1 2 प्लेस में मैंने क्या किया, एक डॉट लगा दिया, एक पॉइंट लगा दिया. ठीक है. नाउ वन मोर थिंग, मोस्ट ऑफ द केस ज्यादातर बच्चे क्या गलती करते हैं, 2 0 0 2 5 10. अब पॉइंट के इधर 10 आया तो दे राइट 10 हियर ओनली, बट ये क्या है, ये तो कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग है. इस तरह हम नहीं करेंगे, हम कैरी लेके जाएंगे आगे, हम कैरी लेके आगे जाएंगे. ओके. नाउ लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस बेटर वे विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम मोर क्वेश्चन. Next question is rupees 13.75 multiplied by 5. Now do this question yourself. अच्छा, just do the simple multiplication. कुछ और आप मत करिए. You just solve the simple multiplication. इसका खाली multiplication part. You just complete the multiplication part. Come on. Do only multiplication part, nothing else. Just write like this. Multiply. Just this. Come on. Chaliye, come on, do this. What we have to do? We just have to multiply here. Completed? Okay. Now 5 5 we will get 5 5 we will get 25 and we'll put a carry 2 here. Okay. 5 5 25 and we'll put a carry 2 here. Now 7 5 here 35. 35 plus 2 36 37. Carry 3. 5 3 are 15. 15 plus 3 18. Carry 1. 5 1 are 5 1. 6. Let us do this again. 5 5 are 25. For 25 we have written 5 and we have put a carry 2 here. 7 5 are 35. 35 plus 2 we have written 37 for that. We have put carry 3 here. Now 5 3 are 15. 16 17 18. 5 1 are 5 1 6. So our answer is rupees 68 75. ठीक है. Now ma'am has told you that 2 place से right पे हमें we have to make a point. तो यहाँ right से 1 2 place से we have to make a point. That means we have to solve the simple multiplication. Simple सा multiplication we will do and then what we will do, from 2 place right के 2 place से we will put a point mark. Okay. Got it? Okay. Let us move ahead. I hope this much example is enough for you to understand the thing. This much example is enough for you. Now one question I am going to give you. Solve this question. Come on. Solve this question. this question. Just solve the simple sum multiply and then just put two places point. Nothing else you have to do. Okay. So 8 to the 16, carry 1. 4 to the 8, 1, 9. 5 to the 10, carry 1. 7 to the 14, 1, 15. Okay. Now we have to place two places point. 1, 2. Two places we will put a point, and our answer is 150 rupees and 96 paise. Okay. So kids, today we have completed exercise 7.5 and we have done an introduction of multiplication of money. Now we will meet in the next